We come to question number 9. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of your building from the foot of your tower of the tower is 30 degree. You are watching the elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Okay. That means there is a two part. One is a tower, one is a building. Is the horizontal line the earth, parallel to the earth. So the angle of elevation of the top of the building, we are watching the top of the building from the foot of the tower. This is a tower like a foot. From here, you are watching the top of the building. This angle, this is become, this angle is 30 degrees given, or 60 degree, or 30 degree. Right. The angle of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, from here watching the top of the tower, it is 60 degree. And if the height of the tower is 50 meter, if the height of the tower is 50 meter, what is the height of the building? The question. Okay. Now we can give the name A, B, C, D. AB value we know 50 meter. BC you got to find out. After that go for CD. Okay, in right triangle we can take let CD be the height of the building. And AB the tower. So AB is given that is AB equal to 50 meter. It is given by the question. AB 50 meter. So find the CD value. Okay, in right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, or angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC 90 degree, angle BCA is 60 degree. Angle BCA equal to 60 degree. The triangle ABC, AB value we know, this is right angle, it is BCA has become 60 degree. Now we can say, we know this one, perpendicular we know, base we don't know. As per this angle, it is a base, is a perpendicular, it is a hypotenuse, but we have to compare with the perpendicular to the base. So perpendicular base equal to tan, tan 60 equal to AB divided by BC, and perpendicular by base. So tan 60 value we know, tan 60 is become root 3. So root 3 is equal to AB 50 meter, BC we have to find out. So let's multiply. Crossly multiply. Root 3 BC equal to 50 meter. So BC is equal to 50 by root 3 meter. So BC value got it. It is become 50 by root 3 meter. So we'll continue again. We got to find the BC got it. Now find the CD value. In right triangle BCD. The right triangle BCD, angle BCD equal to 90 degree, and angle CBD is become 30. So the same formula, perpendicular and base we can apply. Sin tan 30. Tan is become perpendicular base, perpendicular CD, and base become BC. As per the angle C, angle 30, it is a base, is a perpendicular. So perpendicular base tan 30. So tan that is become 1 by root 3, we know the value. 1 by root 3 equal to CD. The CD value we don't know, we got to find out. But BC we know 50 by root 3 meter. Now crossly multiply. For him here, I take the reciprocal, or I can take multiply. Root 3 into CD is equal to, is to multiply 50 by root 3 meter. This to multiply, this to multiply. 1 into 50 by root 3 meter, the same value will be coming. Now CD is equal to, this multiplying by division, 50 by root 3 into root 3 meter. So CD will be 50 by root 3 into root 3 become 3 meter. So 50 divided by 3 will be getting 50 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 20, 3 6 are 18, again 2 remainder. So 16, the quotient is 16, remainder is 2, 2 by 3. So 16, 2 by 3 meter. That is the height of the building. You can conclude the answer. The height of the building is 16, 2 by 3 meter. Okay. We have completed question number 9 now.